Hi everyone, today for Number Corner you are going to need your Number Corner student book. Looks like this. Your Number Corner student book, and you are going to need your math notebook. So if you need to pause the video for a second and get the Number Corner book and the math book, go ahead and do that now. If you are ready, we are going to turn to our calendar grid observations. Let me switch my camera so you can see. Okay, calendar grid observations. So yesterday we looked, on Thursday we looked at loops and a ratio table. Today we are going to look at two more cards. So I'm going to go down on this next line right here, and I am going to write the date, which is 9-8. Okay, 9-8. My first card is this one. So it's a picture, and this shows that 1 week has 7 days in it. So how many days in a week? 7 days in a week. So for my model, it's going to be a picture. So go ahead and write picture. Okay. And then my description again, I have 1 week with 7 days in each week. So 1 week with 7 days. Okay. All right. So my equation for that is I have 1 week, and I know I'm doing multiplication because that's what we're focusing on this month. 1 week times 7 days in each week equals 7. And remember I said anything times 1 is always itself. 1 times 7 is 7. 3 times 1 is 3, and so on. Okay? For our next one, number 8, we have another array. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows with 2 squares in each row. So right underneath my picture, I'm going to do an array. Okay. And then I said I have 4 rows with 2 squares. Okay, so let's look at that again. I have 4 rows with 2 squares in each row. Okay, so my equation, 4 rows, I'm going to write the number 4 times 2 squares in each row. 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times 2 equals 8. Let's count and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 squares. Okay, the next thing, we are done with this. So the next thing I want you to get is your Number Corner student book. You're going to turn to those back pages again, just like we did the other day. We're going to do some more problem strings. So I kind of made my page like a square, or I kind of divided it up so that I'm not wasting a lot of paper. So right next to my problem that we did the other day, I wrote 37 plus 10, and this is going to be our first problem that we are working through. So I'll give you a second to write that and get that out. Okay, we are going to practice today using a number line to solve these problems. So I am going to draw my number line. Okay. And the first number that I'm going to start with is 37. So I'm going to write right here, 37 is my number. And we are going to use friendly numbers to find the answer to this problem. So 10 is a friendly number. So I'm just going to draw like this. I'm going to add 10, and 37 plus 10 is 47. So 47 is my answer. Okay, so then I'm just going to write my equation again. 37 plus 10 equals 47. Okay, you should also just know 37 plus 10 because 10 is a friendly number. So that's a pretty easy problem to figure out. Okay, you could also do the hamburger strategy, stack it like a hamburger, which is one of my favorites. So 37 plus 10. Okay, 7 plus 0 is 7. 3 plus 1 is 4. All right. Okay, we're going to do 2 more. So I put this next one on the bottom of my page. Okay, so you should have all 4 equations on one page. You should be able to fit them. Okay, this next one is 37 plus 14. So first we're going to use a number line to solve the problem. So I'm going to draw my number line. Okay, I'm going to start with the number 37. So right here, I'm going to write 37. Then I want to add 14. Okay, well 14 isn't as friendly as 10. So I'm going to start with 10. So 37 plus 10, we know equals 47. Okay, so now that I've already added 10, I only have to add 4 more. So then I'm going to add 4 more. So 47 plus 4, you can count or you can know 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. 51 is my answer. So then I'm going to write out my number line, what I did. So I did 37 plus 10 plus 4 equals 51. Okay? I could also stack it like a hamburger. I can do 37 plus 14 equals 7 plus 4, I know is 11. So I'm going to put my 1 down here. I have to carry my 10. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. 51. Okay, so that is 2 different ways to solve 37 plus 14. Okay, let's look at one more. This one is 37 plus 24. So I'm going to start with my number line. I'm going to start with the number 37. And then I'm going to add 10 again because 10 is a friendly number. So 37 plus 10, we know is 47. Okay, well, I need to add 24, so I need to add another 10. So 47 plus 10 is equal to 57. Okay, so now I've added 20, so now I need to add 4 more. So 57 plus 4 more. Again, you can count if you need to, or you already know the answer. That's great too. So 57 plus 4 is going to equal 61. Okay. So then I would write out my equation to show what I did on my number line. So 37 plus 10 plus 10 plus 4 equals 61. That's what I did on my number line. Another strategy, again, is stack it like a hamburger. I can do 37 plus 24. Okay, I know 7 plus 4 is 11, so I put my 1 down. I carry my 10 over to my 10 spot. 1 plus 3 is 4, 5, 6. 61. So 2 different ways to solve the same problem. Okay, all right. That is it for Number Corner. So if you have any questions, please let me know and have a great day.